Find area, region bounded y equals x cube, x axis between x equals 2, x equals -2. So for actually, for area, for volume, first thing, better you sketch the graph. Sketch the graph. Okay, imagine the graph. The graph say that your graph is y equals x cube. The graph is okay. Redo. Okay, and here is x equals okay. So you can see clear the region. Okay, x -2. Okay, so now then find the area bounded. Which one? First thing you need to shade the region. You need to determine the region. Okay, say that this is a graph. The graph. This is the area of the graph. Okay, the graph. Y equals cube. Then here is x-axis. Okay. And then next step is I'll choose this. Okay, x equals -2. Okay, x equals 2. So the area bounded by the region. Okay, consider this one. Shade the region. Okay, shade this one. You have two area. Okay, two area. This one consider A, B. Okay, A, B. Then find area. Okay, means that this one. Okay, from -2 to 0, this function is x cube. Okay, dx. Because I know already below, the area below x axis supposed to give negative answer, right? So it do in absolute value. Okay, and plus, okay, from 0 to 2, okay, the same curve, okay, and then the x. Okay, you may also do in absolute value, but this one is above, the region is above x axis, so answer should be positive. And then integrate from -2 to 0 plus, okay, from 0 to 2, substitute. Okay, upper limit first, 0 minus, okay, -2 power 4 means that one is equal to 16, right? 16 over 4 plus, okay, 16 over 4 minus 0 inside the, okay, check answer. Easy answer is 8. Check answer. Yeah. Okay, problem.
Graf lupa bentuk dia.
Okay, just discuss ni lah. Area bounded x equals 0, y equals 3, curve y equals x. So first you have to know the pattern, the graph. You have to know graph. Okay, the graph. Okay, this is set. The graph is same like set. Simple, macam ni. This is the graph. Okay, and y equals 3. Somewhere here, y equals 3. Y is equals 3. X0 means that somewhere x0. X is equal to 0. So the region bounded by the 3, 1, say that here. So curve and line y equals 3. This is the area. Okay, you have to shade the region. This is the area. So it's up to you whether to find the area using y axis or x axis. Up to you. Say that, okay, if you want to use, okay, x axis, just back to x. Okay, make sure find the point kat sini. Okay, so point when y3 substitute y equals to 3. So y equals x, so x, right? X equals y squared. So y is equal to x is equal to 9. So here is 9. Okay, ni substitute when y is equal to 3, substitute to formula, take x as a subject, substitute y, get 9. So you can find area, okay, from 0 to 9. Okay, but the problem is you have two different, this one, this above this, means that ini y is equal to 3 minus set x dx from 0 to 9. This is first method, because of to find the area between curve, this first minus the second, this is the one, cari. Okay, the second method is, okay, integrate this one, use the y, okay, just y, means that area, okay, from 0 to 3, y, everything y, because of course on dy. This one means that y is equal to set x equals y squared. Substitute y squared here, okay, because of everything in variable y. Then integrate respect to y. Okay, integrate respect to y and substitute value. This one is 3, right? Substitute 3, get 27, 9 minus 0 and 9 unit squared. Okay, so up to you when you want to use respect to y or respect to x. Here for this one, if you use respect to y, more easier than respect to x. Kalau respect to x, the next step is 3x from 0 to 9 minus ni x to the power half, right? X to the power half, get x power 3 over 2 over 3. Then from 0 to 9. Then you need to substitute to 2 terms. Okay, yang ni 1 term. 2 terms. 27 minus 0 minus 2 over 3. 9. 3 squared means that 27. 27 minus 0. Okay. Then simplify 9, 18. So 9. Okay, and unit done. Settle pun done. So up to you lah. Okay, so from this class you can choose either you want for area, you can choose whether want to substitute using y axis or x axis. Okay, settle Okay, if you can see the axis line y equals 2. Can you imagine the region? Y equals ln x. Can you imagine the graph? Imagine the graph. First imagine the graph ln. Ln. Same like ln. Okay. I do this one. This is ln. Y equals ln x. Label the graph. Label the graph. Okay, this is ln x. Then y equals 2. Say that here is y equals 2. Line y is equal to 2. Okay, so now you need to find this. Okay, line y equals ln x and check axis. Axis means that y axis. And also x axis. Okay, and choose, okay, shade the region bounded by all. This is the one. This one no, and then this one is the bounded all. This is the one. Shade the region. So now you have this one and check. Here is 2, 0 settle. Okay, 2, 0. Here you need to find ni value. You need to find this value. Okay, say that you don't have time to find that value. Can you use the existing value to find area? Can or not? For the given graph ni, can you find area without finding these two values? The graph. Area. Check. Can or not? You have two methods. Either you want to use x-axis or y-axis, right? Which one easier? Check which one. Okay. And then let's say we don't want to find any values lah. Okay, can you use say value? You know it's 0 to right. Find the area. Can you use from 0 to 2 value 0 to? Can you use or not to find the area? So if I choose 0 to 2, this one suppose dy or dx?
dx.
Okay. If dx, if you want to choose dx, area dx, you have to find value at x-axis. Everything use value, okay, at x-axis. If you want to use x value, means y is equal to 0. Right, y equals 0. So now, when y is equal to 0, substitute 0 equals ln x. Get rid of ln e power 0 is equal to x. X equals 1. See, here is 1. Settle. You have to substitute y is equal to 2. Okay, ni substitute 2 equals ln x. E squared is equal to x. Here is e squared. Means that, okay, you have to divide from 0 to here stop ni. 0 to 1 stop curve. Means that here is 2. Dx settle plus 1 to e squared, 1 to e squared, 1 to e squared. Function untuk graph ni above minus this one, above minus this. So because our area is everything, so all minus this part and then get the shaded region. So here is 2 minus ln x. Okay, or you can find all from 0 to e squared. Y equals 2 minus this part. Okay. This one. Or take all 0 to e squared to minus. Okay, minus. No, this one you need to do one by one. Minus 1 to e squared ln x dx. Okay. Okay, this one right. Area dia all plus this area. The second method means that all okay, rectangular minus this part. This one, this area. Yeah, this one at the total, right? Plus, dapat this one sama. So up to you. Okay, you have this one. You need to deal with the ln x. This one you need to use integration by parts. Okay, so say that we use another method x. You say that you take the value 0 to 2. 0 to 2 is y, so y dy. Okay, with respect to y, okay, which is that everything ni this curve, okay, find the area, okay, below between y-axis dengan the curve. So just take that one je. Y is equal to ln x. X equals e power y. So e power y only. Dia dengan one term je, one function je. Compare to dx, right? So can anyone give me answer? If integrate e y respect to y, what should we get? EY. Respect to Y, EY, right? From 0 to 2. Substitute EY minus E power 0. Don't say that E power is 0 is equal to 0. E squared minus 1. Okay, so E squared minus 1, is it that one is in decimal or no? Just that one. You can leave answer in this one. Unit squared. Settle. Say that if you use the method, this one, ni on the right hand side, you need to find all. Okay, ni by parts. Okay, means that it takes about maybe more than 5 minutes. If you use this one, the area respect to dy, it take maybe 1 or 2 minutes, up to you. Okay, so let's say don't rigid and open your mind. Sometimes the area can be easy for you if you use dy. If you use dy, take value from y-axis. Okay, if you use x dx, take the value x from along the x-axis. Okay, this one check lah. Okay, settle lah. Okay, can you imagine the curve? Ni, y equals x squared. What is it? Okay, what type of the curve? X squared minus 6, x squared. X squared. Means that smiling graph, right? Smiling graph. And then minus 6, the shift down. Shift down. Okay, sketch the graph. Just shift down. Shift down. Label the graph. X, Y, 0. Okay. Then check, this is partner is Y equals X. Okay, sini Total line. Alright, pun okay. This one is Y equals X. Settle. So say that find area between the curve and shade the region. This is that one. Okay, you can ignore X, Y axis. Just check, okay, your focus is between two curve. Okay, between curve means that between y equals x and also y equals x squared minus 6. Okay, so your problem is find the the 2 points. How to find the 2 points? Any idea? Say that this name A, point B. How to find point A and B? Any idea? Suggestion? Okay, given yeah.
To equation to 1.
Do simultaneous equation, right? So you say that substitute equal, right? Something okay. So equation 1, equation 2 name as simultaneous equation. X squared minus 6 equals x, right? Bring to one side. Okay, and then you can use calculator or factorize. Use calculator, find the value x. Okay, and then your value is x equals 3 or x equals negative 2. So means that negative 2 here is 3. Okay, so and then say that you want to integrate. Okay, from negative 2 to 3. Okay, say from here to here. Your value is like along on the x-axis, negative 2, negative 3. So here should be dx. Ni should be dx. Okay, because you take the value from negative x-axis. Negative 2 from x-axis, 3 also from x-axis. So we need to use dx. And check, okay, the line y equals x is above, so x, everything in variable x, minus, okay, x squared minus 6, this line, okay. Then in bracket, okay, simplify, x minus x squared plus 6, okay, then integrate, x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3 plus 6x. then substitute value. Clear? Which part clear? Maybe problem is now the first step kan, the first sketching problem actually. Substitute 9/2, upper limit first upper limit minus 27, 9 plus 18 minus negative 2 squared 4 to negative 8 negative 8 plus 8/3 negative 12. Use calculator, find value. Calculator, find value.
125/6.
125/6.
6.
Okay, unit. Okay, dah settle.